Pranam to all. The ones who like gardening, especially the ones who do organic gardening, love to use homemade pesticide, fertilizers, fungicide, insecticide, etc. And we can make these homemade things easily. In my previous videos, I have talked about many of these homemade fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, etc. So today I will talk about how to use your expired or leftover yogurt in your garden. Yogurts contain many different strains of beneficial bacteria that are not only good for humans but also they can help to improve the health of your soil and your plants. So how exactly do you use yogurt in your garden? The benefits of yogurt for plants are numerous. It helps to enrich the soil, aids in repelling pests and insects, promotes faster growth and healthier plants. It is important to note that homemade remedies with yogurt should not be used directly on edible plants just before harvesting. Instead, use it for your flowering plants or other ornamental plants in your home and garden. Today, I will tell you some ways to use yogurt in your garden. First, you can use yogurt as a fertilizer. One of the main benefits of yogurt in the garden is that it acts as an organic fertilizer. Use 100 grams yogurt with roughly 4 liters of water. First, mix the yogurt with water and then close it with a lid for 24 hours and then pour it into the soil for naturally fertilizing your plants. Number 2. Use it for composting. You can also add yogurt to your composting heap to help the organic matter break down quicker. Number 3. Use it as an antifungal plant spray. Did you know that yogurt makes an excellent antifungal spray to treat conditions such as powdery mildew, grey mold, black spots on roses, and rust? The beneficial bacteria in yogurt helps to prevent and treat fungal diseases in plants. Dilute the yogurt more with water and then spray it on your foliage. Do this once a week until the problem is gone, or you can dilute it with more water if you want to use it more often. My mom uses this spray once in weekly so our plants do not get any fungal attack. Number 4. Use it as a pest repellent. You can use yogurt as a pest repellent against mites. We have already uploaded some videos about how to get rid of mites, so you can go and watch those videos. Number 5. Yogurt as a soil amendment. Yogurt makes an excellent soil amendment that will improve the health of your soil and adjust the soil's pH level. Just add a cup of yogurt to 1 liter of water and then stir it well. Then pour the yogurt to your soil. When you're ready with some soil while planting some new plants, that time add this mixture to your soil. This is how my mom uses yogurt in different ways in our garden. You also don't throw your expired yogurt and use it in your garden. After applying this yogurt in your garden, you can get your results in a few days. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.